Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. Well, the first part of this video is going both on YouTube and on Rumble, but the last part of this video is going only on Rumble. So I'm letting you know right off the bat that if you're watching me on YouTube, if you want to see the rest of this video and some interesting testimonies, you'll need to go watch it over there. It'll be publishing the same day, same time, and you'll find my Rumble link in the description box down below. So the first part, I just want to give you some quick tips about Rumble and some more new changes. So you've heard me talk about the implementation of the playlist, how they have that now, and I've really been taking advantage of that, putting together a lot of playlists, still building them, taking some of my older videos and moving them to Rumble. I mean, now that I have a place I can compile certain things that really need to be in a series, I've just really been cracking down and doing that. Other videos I've simply been reshooting, like some of my old herb videos, cooking and baking videos. They just need to be redone anyway. And so you'll find those in the playlist. I love this option. I love that I can do that. And also that another one that I've mentioned in the past is that you now can adjust the playback speed just like you can on YouTube. You just go to, I think it's and it will depend on what device. You'll either see settings, or up at the top, if you're on your phone, you'll see like the 3 dots and you touch that and you should be able to pull back the video playback speed so you can either speed things up or slow things down. I know that is an important feature to a lot of people. As of yet, at least at the time I'm shooting this video mid-January, they still don't have closed captions yet, but hang on people, I believe they'll be coming out with those soon with all of the great updates they've been making. One of the new things I discovered recently that I was really thrilled about is that a content creator like myself can even feature a video at the top of their channel. So that very first video that got removed from YouTube over 2 years ago, that was the first video I uploaded to Rumble, so to make it easy to find, and that's the one that I tend to refer back to the most because there's a lot of things I use that particular substance in. So I was able to feature that one at the very top of the page. So as soon as you go to my Rumble channel, you'll see that right there at the very top. And so that makes it really easy to find that particular one. But I also have a playlist of a whole bunch of other videos that either were removed from YouTube, or I had to remove it before they did and I got a strike on my channel, or they're videos I shot only for Rumble just because of all these constantly changing policies on YouTube. And it also includes videos that might be on YouTube, but parts of them had to be edited out for YouTube and then put on Rumble. So again, if you're watching me on YouTube right now, please go check out my Rumble channel so you can listen to the testimonies I'll be reading that I can only read on Rumble. And thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.